Whoop whoop, 4 days work later, the terrace boards are finally finished. Massive. Huge, huge, huge. So the problem they had was that they were putting the joints over dead space. So they put it on, they did about 2/3 of it, and then they ripped it all up again, and then they tried again, they put it back again. But yeah, I need to cut this bit of tree. It's all finished. So what they've got to do now is put the cap pieces over the ends, which, like these sections here, so apparently there's going to be some sort of metal cap going all the way around the edges. But yeah, it's usable, and I have the little safety barrier, which I'm not even going to get anywhere near because it's quite terrifying being up this high. So yeah, walk out of the kitchen onto the deck. It still feels quite bouncy underfoot. I keep finding all these bloody screws. They must have got through about, I don't know how many packets of screws and fixings. Yeah, quite happy with that. And then, I've got to paint this little section, which I forgot about as well. This little edge. And then, got spare boards over there, which I did ask them to move them down to the container. They're not taking those away if I've paid £4,000 for them all. So what I was thinking was, the deck boards would go outside, build some sort of step for the container, which they've rebalanced on the block, so now I can actually open the doors properly. So yeah, my idea now is to put a little section of decking. Ooh, that is not safe. That's wobbling in the wind. It's tiny. Yeah. Well, at least they've got it finished. I think it was supposed to finish on Thursday last week, and now it's Monday, so there we go. Finally done.